That's right, folks. It's the Vagrant's Valet, and today we are out on the streets helping out the homeless with rides, with a kind word, with encouragement, whatever we can do to find out and help out. And now, let's go ahead and get into the Vagrant's Valet official command vehicle here. You want to hop in and back? Be my guest. And now, folks, let's go to work. Hey, brother, can I give you a ride, bud?
Yes, sir.
All right, hop on in. Take a load off.
Thank you, man.
You doing all right?
All right.
You doing all right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
You look like you were limping there a little bit. I thought maybe I could help out.
Thank you, sir.
Put my official.
Walking down towards the library.
These are my official glasses here. Don't I kind of look like Samuel L. Jackson a little bit with this get? Do I look fly or what?
It kind of, yeah.
Yeah. You remember Samuel L. Jackson? He was in.
Oh yes, he's one of my favorite. He's one of my favorite actors.
Yeah, he was in Pulp Fiction. I think.
I know. I love that one, Pulp Fiction. and he also played I love Samuel.
Yeah, he was in, and then he was a Jedi in one of those Star Wars movies.
He was, yeah, also, that too.
I mean, he's a good actor, but I didn't think he was. I think his name was Mace Windu, and I didn't think he was that good of a Jedi. He wasn't.
No,
he wasn't. Because I'm like kind of a Ben Kenobi kind of guy.
Oh, Ben Kenobi. Luke is a guy.
Yeah. You know this dude?
No.
No, I don't either. What's your name, man? I'm sorry.
Ray.
Ray, nice to meet you, Ray.
Hey, brother, would you have just a couple dollars you can spare too?
No, I don't have any money, Ray, but I'll tell you what, I got a nice warm ride here on a chilly day. Is that fair enough?
That's fair enough.
Ding, ding. Are you living on the streets, or what do you got? What do you have going?
Yeah, I'm living on the streets right now.
What? How long you been in between housing opportunities, as we say? How long you been on the streets?
I just got out of jail.
Oh, you're in the joint?
Yeah.
How long were you in the can?
5 months.
What, the Monroe County Jail here?
Yeah.
Well, you're out now, and it's a brand new day, so. You want a pop or a water? You thirsty?
No, thank you. No, I'm trying to get, you wouldn't have like 90 cents at least, would you?
No, I don't. Like I said, I don't have any money. But see my gasoline lights on.
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah, I'm about out of gas, so I might be walking along with you here.
I thank you, man, for giving me a ride.
Absolutely. Where you been sleeping? Have you been outside in the cold? Or I kind of worry about people when they're out in the extreme cold. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I was out in the cold last night.
Have you ever been over to the Mission over here? Over to Wheeler?
Yeah.
You can always sleep there. Were you outside when it was like -5 degrees? Like 3 weeks ago? Remember when it was super cold?
No.
Yeah. Oh, that's good. Where are you from originally? Are you an Indiana boy or?
Oh yeah. I'm originally from Indianapolis.
Oh, that's God's country up there, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Were you like from like Broad Ripple? Which neighborhood?
No, Hallville.
Hallville? I'm not exactly sure.
Hallville, man. Yes, sir.
Oh, do you still have family up that way?
Yeah, I don't have any kids or anything, but I got.
Are your folks still with us?
Yep.
Oh. Have you talked to them lately?
Oh yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, maybe they can help you out. It's like, you know, living on the streets.
Yeah, I just, yeah.
Living on the streets is definitely tough, but there's plenty of resources here in town. You know.
There is.
Have you been to the Shalom Center?
Yeah.
Yeah, because if you let them know, your name's Ray, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, if you let them know, Ray, that you know you don't have a place to live, And I think Centerstone here in town too. I mean, they can help you, you know, with that kind of thing.
Yeah. They will. Man, thank you for the ride.
Well, you don't thank me. Thank the big boy upstairs. I had a little extra spare time today, so I just thought I'd find somebody who might need a ride to get them get where they need to be. They said it was going to be 60 degrees today. I don't think it's getting up to 60 degrees. I think it's more like 40 degrees and windy, which is it's no treat to be strolling along. Have you done much traveling? Have you been out in Indiana?
Oh yes, sir. Yes, I've been all over the United States.
And in what capacity? Are you just kind of a intrepid sojourner, or did your job take you?
Yeah, working.
Well, what kind of work have you done over the years?
Fast concrete and
Oh, that's hard work. That's man's work there. The old pick and wheelbarrow.
Yeah.
I only did concrete work once, and that was enough for me. My great uncle, my dad's.
Actually, this bus stop right here would be fine, sir.
Okay, or I can take you to the library. It's up to you.
No, this bus stop would be fine.
Okay. Yeah, absolutely. You want a water for the road?
No.
Okay. Diet Pepsi? I got Diet Pepsi too.
No.
I just charged up the back seat with plenty of Diet Pepsi.
Hey, thank you.
Okay, hey, I want you to look for me, and if you see me on the street, flag me down, I'll give you a ride, Ray. All right, I'm rooting for you, bud, okay?
Thank you.
Ding, ding. All right, that's Ray, and Ray started to shut down a little bit when he figured out that I wasn't going to give him any money, and he clammed up a bit, so I think his agenda had more to do with getting some cash out of me than getting a ride or getting to be where he was going. But hey, that's okay. We had a chance to talk to Ray, give him a little encouragement, let him know that there's lots of resources here, let Ray know that there's people who care about him, and hey, that's a victory. So if you like what I'm doing, give me a like, give me a subscribe, give me a ding ding, and now it's off to the next person. Ding ding.